She's fluffy, she's cute, she's fierce. I define her to look just like this. Hey guys, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Susay here, back again with another video. I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this beautiful hairdo. It's actually crochet hair in just a few steps. I'm so obsessed with the results. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this, I literally didn't do any crazy braid prep. It was very simple. I just did straight back cornrows and got this really defined hairstyle. So if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful hairdo, please keep on watching. Let's get into the video real quick because you need to see the magic. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You need to moisturize your hair after washing it, especially after a protective style like this, and that's the only way your hair is not gonna break. So for moisturization, I used just a few products. I used my trusty conditioner in the shower. So I used Amika conditioner, Define and Shine Smoothie from Curls, and then I use my favorite curl defining cream from Fenty Beauty, and is the Home Curl. To seal, I use Sheer Moisture Bonding Oil with Amala. If you guys saw my previous video, I actually did a leave out version with crochet hair before I got into half wigs, and I used synthetic hair, but this time I'm actually using human hair. And guys, please, if they tell you synthetic hair will give you the look that you're looking for, they're lying to you. They are actually lying, because this hair literally looks like my natural hair. It's so insane. And I actually got this hair from one of the best crochet hair, in my opinion, the best crochet hair company on YouTube. I've been watching HOTBRAIDS hair, like different videos made by creators on here using HOTBRAIDS hair. 3C 4A crochet human hair bundle comes with one large latch of crochet hair that is large enough to fit your whole head. This is the braiding pattern, and this is how much leave out that I left. I'm just gonna braid the back of the crochet hair to create like a base to start off the crochet this part into the braids. The curls, I am so obsessed with how springy they are, and we're gonna install them. That they put it in this attachment right here, so you can easily take it out. And when you take out the hair, since this is human hair, I'm gonna be reusing this. So when you take out the hair, you could just put it back, and it wouldn't tangle up together, because it's just put into this metal piece right here individually, and you just help to secure the hair and just protect the hair that way. All right guys, so this is how it is. It has like a thread right here, so it doesn't hold tension when you put it into your hair. Twist. I'm just gonna put it in just like that. See? You don't have to like double twist it, you just have to just loop it around once. This is the back. This is the back. I've gone ahead and filled the base. It's all the way up down here. The 3C 4A texture is fab. So this is how much I have left. I just have these 2 rows, like half of it. I did all of the back, and I just have these 2 rows, and this is how much hair I have left. So I'm just gonna fill out these 2 rows, but as you guys can see, it literally filled up my whole hair. I have more on this side because I love like kind of like a look where this side is more, you know, like a side part vibes, but still kind of like flip over, but here will be more voluminous. Literally, this is insane. This is actually insane. It looks like my hair. What? I got a cute little fro going on. What? Obviously I have to define the front, but this is already insane without definition. Wow. But yeah, let's get our makeup done, define this hair. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get into defining this hair. She is fierce. I've defined the back. As you guys can see, it is very defined. I'm so obsessed. So I'm gonna go ahead and define my natural hair right now. The Fenty Stronghold Gel. It's actually coming out well. This could actually even be one hairstyle. As you guys can see, you could just do like a cute headband, bow tie vibes. So let's just call this the first hairstyle while we wait for the edges to set, and we're gonna come back for the next hairstyle. The back of the hair. This is what the back is given. Very voluminous. Like, the hair is so full. Guys, this hair is tea. This hair is tea. It literally looks like it's my hair. The texture is insane. After defining it, insane. Let's take it down and see what it's given. So, ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, that moved. Obviously, if you tie your hair and let it set longer, it's gonna be even nicer. Probably gonna tie it back later, but I need to finish. But look at this. It literally looks like my hair. And I'm gonna insert a picture right here of how I wore the hair in its afro state to the gym this morning, and it just looked like I had my high puff out. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. What? When bro, crochet hair, crochet is forever that girl. One thing I love about crochet, especially those of you that love half wigs and you don't want that extra tension from the combs, crochet is your girl. You literally have your cornrows at the back and you just have the crochet hair there. I'm actually so obsessed. So this is one hairstyle you can do. This side, flip over. And then you can also do like a bang to the front to make the bang short without having to cut the hair. Take it up like this, and then you're gonna pin it right there. Just gonna go in with like a clip, and then I'm just gonna like kind of like clip it right there. You clip, the more you can put it up like that. Just hold it better. So you have this little bang situation going on right there. Like, you wouldn't even know it's crochet. Now, if you also want to do like a half up, half down situation, which you guys should know by this time if you watch this channel, that is my signature style. So let's get into that. For my half up, half down, I'm just gonna take the crochet hair just like that, and I'm gonna pin have it. This is literally my tension-free way to do a half up, half down. And there you have it, is a half up, half down. The texture match is insane. The key is to get a hair color that matches yours, and also the type of curls, the curl type that matches yours as well. Like I said, this is a 3C4A and it matches the front portion of my hair really well and blends. Alright guys, this is the final hairstyle and this has come to the end of this video. If you want to purchase this hair, every single detail is in the description box, and links and also a coupon code to purchase this hair will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe, show your girl some love, comment what you liked about the video, thumbs up the video because it really helps my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.